Have you ever wished you could quickly turn a long video into multiple viral short clips without spending hours editing? What if I told you there's a simple AI-powered tool that can do just that, instantly creating clips that could potentially rack up millions of views? And by the way, if you're new here, welcome to Grow with ESA, where we unlock the secrets to boosting your creative potential. At the end of this video, I will also tell you how you can use this paid website unlimited times and create unlimited content. Therefore, make sure to watch the video until the end. So, here's the deal. I just pasted a link to a single video and guess what? I got a ton of viral clips from it that could potentially get millions of views. Sounds incredible, right? It's fast, simple, and professional. Basically everything you need to produce engaging short videos, podcasts, reviews, and content for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. All you need to do is click the link in the description, sign up with your email, and you're in. You can either upload your own footage, use a video link, or even record a brand new one. I'm going to use a link to a long YouTube video from MrBeast's channel. Once you upload the video, you can set the resolution. 1080p is usually enough, but higher resolutions will give you even better results. You can also select the video's language and turn on the AI clip option. Inside the Wizard AI tab, you'll find several settings that can be adjusted later. For example, the aspect ratio can be set to 9:16 for Instagram or TikTok, 1:1 for Instagram posts, or both. The duration of each clip can either be automatically adjusted by the AI or customized by you. Plus, you can add emojis or highlight keywords to make your clips more visually appealing. There are also templates available, or you can create your own. But here's the best part. Once you've made these initial settings, the AI instantly generates clips for you. In this case, we created 10 viral clips from just one link. How awesome is that? With just a few clicks, you have content ready to go. You can review and edit the clips, and the viral score will show you how successful each clip could be. If you're happy with the clip, you can download it directly. Simply export the clip and you can publish it directly to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or download it for future use. The speed and quality of content production are significantly increased, and you'll be able to boost your revenue as a result. In the beginning of the video, I said that I will tell you the method to use this website for unlimited free access. So here it is. To use this website for unlimited free access, you can use a temporary email from a temp mail website. Now for this, one like and subscribe is a must, so go ahead and do it quickly. If you want to take your content creation seriously, Wizard AI is an amazing tool that can save you time and improve your output. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this platform is perfect for anyone who wants to create content faster and more efficiently. Be sure to check the link in the description and give it a try. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the latest tutorials on how to create animations and videos using AI here on Grow with ESA. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your fellow content creators, and comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, stay creative and keep growing your content. If you want to grow sales, brands, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.